Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Lexus certified pre-owned units. It is a 2017 RX 350 luxury package in the eminent white pearl finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, low mileage, local Calgary car with a clean accident-free carproof. Some of the features include LED headlamps with the auto-leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, headlamp washers, front and rear park assist sensors, the blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, automatic high beam, power liftgate, heated steering wheel, driver's seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with the pre-collision, a 12.3-inch multimedia display with the integrated backup camera and navigation, heated and ventilated front seats, drive mode select, center locking differential, sunroof, noble brown interior, in great condition, rear heated seats, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.